The Bible in Philippians 4:8 says, whatever is true, what is noble, what is honorable, what is pure, focus on such things. That's one of my favorite verses because our focus is so important. Whatever we put our focus into expands or grows. So if you put your focus into the drama and the chaos of the news or social media, that expands, right? If you put your focus into growing your business or starting your blog or focusing on building your confidence, that grows as well. A lot of people don't accept that they have a lot more power than they like to believe, right? We feel like we become a victim to our circumstances, but our circumstances are actually a reflection of our internal thoughts, which is ultimately what we've been focused on. So I want you to take a brief moment and just do an activity with me. Take a moment and close your eyes. I want you to think of something that is blue. You got something in mind? Awesome. Now I want you to think of a circle. Think of a circle. Awesome. Do you have that in mind now? Great. Now I want you to realize that just in that moment, in any 1 second, you can choose what you focus on, right? I can tell you to focus on a circle, you'll pull up a circle. I tell you to pull up something blue, you pull up something blue. We can shift our focus at any one moment. But a lot of times we feel like victims to our circumstances, when in reality, our circumstances are based on what we focused on. So if you focus on the news being chaotic, you're going to attract more of that. If you focus on your success in building and strengthening your confidence, you're going to attract more of that as well. The option is yours. So while we can't change our circumstances, we can change the way we respond to it. So for example, we can't change what season it is, but if it's summer, we know to put on a tank and some flip-flops. And if it's winter, we know to get a winter jacket and some shoes. So we change our response, but not necessarily the circumstance. We change what we're focused on, but not necessarily the circumstance. And that applies in any area of your life. So with everything going on in the world and things being chaotic and crazy, you can choose to focus on what's serving you, not what you feel pressured to focus, but you can put your focus on what's going to benefit you, add value to you, encourage you, and improve your life overall. So just like we did earlier on in the video, we were able to take what you were currently focused on and move it to something else to focus on, right? You can do that with any area in your life, no matter how crazy things get or how overwhelming things get. Remember, you can't change the circumstances, but you can change what you're focusing on and in turn, how you're replying and responding to it. So I challenge you to take this tool, grab back your control, and start to apply it in every area so that what you're focusing on is always operating and working in your favor. Until next time, guys, I will chat with you all later.